My name is Daniel Ricardo Tequia Velasco. I'm from Technology Integral Transport Management. I'm T. Evans. I'm from going to talk about a very important and close person who is me. Here. Her mine is Nicole Dayanara Useche Villalba, born on 16th of May 24. She is 20 years old. She whose recent turned 20 years. Where is she from? She is Colombian, currently resident in Colombia and live in the Trump Boston. My friend's hobby is that she really loves traveling and spending a lot of time with her pets. She also enjoys shopping and visiting shopping malls. A relevant fact is that she works at a bank where she holds a very important position. And the bank is very helpful among Colombians. Bank. Talking a little more about me first, she is a very caring person, very intelligent. She is short and dressed really well. And best of all, she is an amazing friend. Thank you, very good instructor. Goodbye.